He has, in fact, voluntarily been paying 20,000 from husband. There is a actually after they were both of them were abroad in America, etc. Coming here after the cases, etc. He has lost the job. From the date of the petition, that is ordered.
It has to be that. Generally, we calculate the arrears like that. And also, the wife is also working. That aspect was not considered.
Husband's 30,000 is granted. Every month to be paid. Lord, this order to be effective from April, because petition was filed in April 2023.
April 2023.
23. Order is passed in
Now
February.
it is almost 12
Yes.
plus.
Now he has, in fact, voluntarily been paying 20,000 from December onwards. He has been paying because
No, it is like this.
by account transfer. Earlier he was
No,
paying.
1 minute.
Please.
Now 12 plus this 3 months. Total is 15 months.
Oh, yes.
Total is
Yes.
15 months.
Yes.
And now court has granted 30,000. How
30,000.
much is the income of the husband?
Husband, there is a actually after they were both of them were abroad in America, etc. Coming here after the cases, etc. He has lost the job. He has actually lost the job. Wife is also working, but we are not able to prove it. That is a question of trial because the cases now presently has lost the job. And
You are paying the 20,000, continue to pay little till
it
they
is
come.
because when the honorable family judge called, he said, I am going to pay. That's in December. The documents were produced, page 129.
No, what we do is, the arrears, we'll calculate it 20,000 into 15 months, 20 into 15.
My lord, this areas April to December is the whether she is liable to pay or not is the question which the honorable court.
What is that?
From April to December till
It is from the date of petition.
From the date of the petition, that is ordered.
It has to be that. Generally, we calculate the arrears like that. So if you calculate whatever you have paid, excluding that remaining you pay. What are you saying that you have paid 20,000?
20,000 from December he has paid.
From December to?
2023.
Till now you are paying.
Till now he is
So
paying.
then application is from now 4th month to 12th month. 8 months.
12th month.
8 into 20.
That the honorable court may reduce it because it becomes about
1,60,000.
that the honorable court for the present, the honorable court can make it 50%, 15,000 for that period. For the period from up to December.
No, anyway, you are paying it. Why should the court
I leave it.
reduce it to 20,000 and 15?
I leave
So
it.
it is submitted that the court below had granted maintenance at 30,000, whereas though he was working earlier in US, no, yes, at present he has no job. And also the wife is also working. That aspect was not considered. It is submitted that from December 2023, they have been paying the maintenance. And December 2023, they have been paying the maintenance of at rupees 20,000. Considering all these aspects, this court deems it appropriate to grant stay of all further proceedings on the condition that the husband continues to pay 20,000 by 5th of every succeeding month. Then coming to the arrears, it is stated that as the petition is filed in the month of April, and from December, it is stated that they are paying from for the 8 months, 1,60,000. The 1,60,000 shall be paid within 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. Same petitioner shall take either of it is not complied with the stay granted by this court stands vacated. Petition is permitted to take out notice on the counsel appearing before the court below and shall file a memo to that effect. Post this matter on 14th August.
Please. Great.
Yes.